Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying essential items. Make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS and an active internet connection. Once done, sign in with the Apple ID you want to use for Game Center. This links scores and friends. Next, open Settings and scroll to Game Center. Tap to enter its panel. Follow the prompts to enable the service. This step creates or connects your Game Center profile so games can read your nickname and achievements. You now configure how Game Center behaves and what others see. Turn Game Center on if it's off, then pick a nickname. This is how other players identify you. Make sure to set privacy. Decide whether friends, contacts, or everyone can view your profile and send invites. Also enable share across devices if you want the same profile on iPad and Mac. Finally, review per app permissions, so each game can access Game Center features like leaderboards and multiplayer invitations. Finish by opening a Game Center-enabled game and confirming you're signed in there. Many games show a small Game Center icon or profile area. Use the in-game menus to invite friends, join multiplayer matches, or view leaderboards and achievements. If something fails, sign out and back into Game Center in Settings, restart your device, and make sure screen time or content and privacy restrictions aren't blocking social features. If Game Center still won't appear, update.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.